Welcome to Delhi Public World International School, Sikar. I, Miss Suparna, I am going to take you on a tour of our beautiful campus where we combine the academic excellence and holistic development of our students. So now I am going to start with the tour of our academic infrastructures where I am going to show you the classroom facilities, the library facilities, the lab facilities and many others. So let us start our journey and let us start our heart of the school, that is the classrooms. So you can see on my right side the buses drop the students and they take rest this side, and on my left side there is a huge playground for our students where the students can come and excel in their sports field. So it's a beautiful ground you can see where the students have on a daily basis they have their PE periods where they can come and they can play and they can get a refreshing start, and then they can again concentrate on their classes. Now slowly we will be moving into our classrooms. But before that I would love to show you the beautiful scenic view which is around our school. So you can see a board in front of me which shows that on 26th January, on account of Republic Day, we had inaugurated the science exhibition program for the session 2024-2025, where students have shown their excellence and their different projects on AI, robotics and coding. So our students from nowadays only, they are very much skilled into these fields where they can acquire their scientific knowledge and a different kind of creativity into them. So as the part of extracurricular activity, our school also focuses on these kind of things which brings a holistic development of a student, as I said before. So now let us move into the infrastructure, the main infrastructure of our school, and as I told, the heart of our school, that is the classrooms. I would love to show my audience the beautiful scenic view which is around our school. It is into a green field, like green nature, where we are close to the environment and we are out of the pollution and the hustle bustle of the city. And now we are going to enter into our infrastructure, that means the school building. So let us start with our tour, and this is our school gate. So from here we are going to enter into the ground floor of our school and then slowly proceed towards the first floor and the second floor. So now we are going to enter into our classrooms. Let us start our tour with class 6. Hello children, sit down. So which period is going on? Science. Okay, so are you enjoying the classes? Okay, so let me ask Pakhi. So Pakhi, tell me what's going on here in the class?
Sir is teaching us notes about the chapter motion and measurement of distance. So there are two types of motion. Motion means like when the object is in rest, then it is rest, and when the object is moving, it means motion.
Okay, so that means our students are paying so much attention in the class, right? So please sit down. So others, are you enjoying in the class?
Yes.
Is the class interesting?
Yes.
You are sitting comfortably in the classroom?
Yes.
Okay, so say hello to everyone.
Hello.
So now we are into the second floor of our beautiful infrastructure of our school, and we are going to enter into the science lab where class 9 students are busy with some experiments and demonstrations. So let us talk to Aman sir. Hello Aman sir. So
Hello,
what
ma'am.
kind of experiments you are giving to the students? Could you please demonstrate?
Yeah, here some chemistry experiments are going on. There physics and biology experiments are going on. So these girls are hitting the lead nitrate crystals,
Okay.
PbNO3 twice, and when they will hit these crystals, brown fumes of NO2 gas will evolve, and residue will be left here. That is known as lead oxide, PbO. Yes, you continue your experiment. Now here these boys are doing some experiments. He is making brine. He is adding water into NaCl, then he will add carbon dioxide and ammonia to make baking soda. But here these students having baking soda, and they will heat this baking soda, NaHCO3, to evolve the carbon dioxide gas. And here they are doing biology experiments. On microscope they are seeing something. They are doing physics experiments, PN junction diode. Some new experiments are going on in science lab.
Okay sir, thank you
And
very
these
much.
are very brilliant students. They are very, very excited.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for your beautiful demonstration.
Okay.
So you can see that class 9 students are busy with their experiments and they are trying to do some new experiments maybe with the help of Aman sir. So now let us come outside of this science lab and move into the other infrastructure facilities of our school. Now let us see what is going on in our computer lab. So let us enter into our computer lab and see what the students are doing here. Good afternoon, all of you. So take your seats. So are you all enjoying the classes? Okay, so let me ask Shyam. So tell me what is going on in the class?
So, ma'am, we're just enjoying the robotics and AI. As we know that robotics and AI helps us to make the brighter future of our India as well as of our school. Our school provides the AI, artificial intelligence, as well as the robotics labs to us. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Shyam. Sit down. So now let me ask Anuradha ma'am. Hello, Anuradha ma'am. So please tell me what is going on in the class.
They are learning coding and AI by Python languages.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your answer. So students, thank you for your reply. Can you please say hello to the audience? Okay, so thank you, class.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now we are into the first floor of our school, and as you can see that this floor is really very quiet and calm because we have library here. So you can see our soft board is also decorated by the teachers, students. I mean, in a collaborative way they have decorated. Now quietly let us enter into our library where the students are busy with their reading. So you can see the students are reading their books of their choice, and ma'am is helping them figure out their books. Many collections of books are here. Like here you can see this is the science section, this is the English section, this is the math section, and that is the EVS section. So let me ask some of the students that which books they are reading. So Aradhya, which book are you reading?
The Magic Melon.
So are you getting interested by reading it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me ask Khushi. Khushi, which book are you reading?
Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast. Okay. So Manya, which book you are reading?
Ma'am, I am reading 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe.
Okay. So thank you, class. You can continue your reading. Sorry to disturb you. You continue your reading. Okay. Thank you. So this is our ground floor, and this is the floor for nursery, UKG and LKG. And now we are entering into the activity lab where the small little champs of nursery classes are having fun. So let me ask some of the students here. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Tell me. As you can see, they are very busy. They can't tell their name also. So let me ask to some of the other children here, the very energetic little champs here. Yes, hello. Can you tell me your name, please? Can you tell me your name, please? What is your name?
Vasu.
Vasu. Vasu what? Full name. Tell me your full name. Only Vasu? Okay. So Vasu. So this is actually the nursery class. So these are very small children. So they are having fun here into different toys and settings you can see here. That side also some children are playing with their teacher. Nursery children they have just stepped into the school premises, and they are trying to be friendly with the school environment. So yes, that is what the activity lab looks like of Delhi Public World International School. As I told that this floor is for the junior most students of our school. So now after the activity lab, let us enter into the LKG class. Good morning all of you, sit down. So you all can see that these are the little champs of LKG class, and their teacher is teaching them using the smart classroom facilities where they can connect with the audio and visuals. This is the most easiest and attractive way for the students where they can learn things very easily and in a creative way. So you can see they get entertained also sometimes when they are looking into the projector, and using them teachers are also facilitated, and it is easy for them to also explain these little students in a very easy way. So you can see the projector here and our board. So here the teachers show some visuals in the projector, and if they want to write something, then they write in the board. So now we have reached to our sports field where you can see many of the students are sitting there for some activities. So these students are from which class? Which class are you? UKG. So you can see our school provides a great facility to the students where they can practice sports and many other outdoor games. So you can see they are preparing for some kind of activity here. So you can see this is the place where the students can relax themselves. They can start with a fresh mind and they can start with the new classes.
Start.
So say hello to them. Hello to them. So now we have come into the most interesting corner of our school, that is sports court. So you can see this is a very beautiful, colorful sports court where the children are playing different games, different outdoor games, and they can be physically strong, practicing some of the exercises and getting skills on many various games. Now let me ask our sports coach Dinesh sir that which kind of games he is trying to teach to the students. So hello Dinesh sir. So what kind of games you are teaching to the students?
Now I'm teaching basketball also.
Okay, so what all other activities they have learned by these days?
In basketball nowadays they are learning dribbling.
Okay.
And then for some of the basic rules also, like say running, then double,
Okay.
then say backcourt. I've teach
Okay.
a little bit basic now for now.
Okay, so sir, I can see that side also the boys are playing some games. So what games they are playing?
Actually, ma'am, they are playing volleyball. These are
Okay.
what you say, like base students for our school, those who are playing good in volleyball.
Okay. So you have made a team for them.
Yeah.
So this side boys are playing and this side girls are playing. Okay, thank you sir. Thank you for your words. So you can see here all the students are very energetic and they are into the PE period for which they are mostly waiting for, like they are only excited for this period. Some students wait for this period eagerly to come and enjoy the sports court, this colorful sports court of our school, Delhi Public World International School. Now we are on the second floor of our school where we have the creative corner of our school, that is the art and craft room. So let us get inside our art and craft room and see what the students are doing. Hello students. So what are you all doing? Art and craft things? So you're making drawings or crafts or what are you doing? So are you enjoying the class? So show me the thumbs up if you're liking the class. Is this the best class? This or PE class? Which one? How many of you will vote to art and craft? Art and craft, how many? Only 1, 2, 3. Okay, so most of the students are taking the side of PE, right? So you like to enjoy the PE classes. So what are all exciting things you're making? Let me see. So you're making some drawing?
Yes.
Okay, and you? So you can see that our teacher is helping the students to make some craft works. They are using some papers and all that. So we hope that they will be making some good art and craft things, like they have made some and they have displayed there in the room. This side you can see the India Gate they have made, and this side some pots and the clock tower. So that is how the students show their creative energy into this creative corner of our school, that is art and craft room. So that was all about our school campus. I showed you the beautiful tour of our school, Delhi Public World International School, which has many facilities like sports, lab, library, computer room, and many other smart classrooms. So this is the best environment and best place where the students will get the overall academic excellence as well as holistic development. Our students here are getting skill-based education, which is very much important for the 21st century. And our school plays a major role in students' life so that they can inbuild these kind of skills into them. So DPWIS is definitely the best place for the students to acquire these knowledge and skills. So for more updates and for connecting to our school, you can connect to all our social media platforms, and obviously you can connect to our channel of our school, Delhi Public World International School, Sikar. Thank you.